Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to set featured photos private on Facebook. So let's scroll down on our profile page, and as you can see I have here a featured collection. So when you click that and you click this three dots right here, you can see that there's no option in order to edit the privacy. It is because the featured collection is always set to public, but there's actually two options in order to get rid of that. So if you have someone that you don't want to see this photo right here, what you need to do is to just click on edit featured collection and add another picture to fool that person. So also you also have the option in order to block or other people to not see your story is to head over to your menu right here and then click this gear icon right here, which is the settings. And then after that we just need to head over to privacy. So let's search for privacy. Let's search in here, click on the privacy, and then after that you can see in here your activity that there's a lot of options that you can choose from. But since the featured collection is mostly based on the stories, then you can see this, the who can see your stories. Let's click that. So if you chose to make this for friends only, then only friends can only see your featured collection. But if you choose to do this custom, then only the people that you've chosen can only see your featured collection. You can also mute other things or share it to Instagram or enable comments or whatnot. So that's it. I hope you learn a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.